How to hyperlink an email address in Word. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Word on your device, then simply go to any blank document. Now, inside the blank document, all you have to do is simply type down the email address, or you can also select the text you want to turn into a hyperlink. But here I'm writing down my email address. Now, what you have to do is select the text, select the whole email ID, then tap on the insert option available there. Then you can see link option available inside the insert. Simply tap on it. Now, all you have to do is enter the email address in the email address field. Example, any name @email.com or gmail.com. Then simply tap on the done or save option available there. And that is it. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.